Hello students, today we are going to discuss chemical reaction. There are two types of reactions, chemical reaction and physical reaction. The example of physical reaction is conversion of water into ice or water vapor into water after reducing the temperature, or conversion of ice into water after giving heat, or conversion of water into water vapor on applying heat. जेव्हा हे चेंजेस होतात एका फॉर्ममधून दुसऱ्या फॉर्ममध्ये जातं पण रिव्हर्स रिॲक्शन पण पॉसिबल असते, तेव्हा ती रिॲक्शन असते फिजिकल रिॲक्शन. बट दॅट इज नॉट पॉसिबल विथ केमिकल रिॲक्शन. इफ मिल्क गेट्स कन्व्हर्टेड इन टू कर्ड, दुधाचं दही झालं तर ते इरिव्हर्सिबल रिॲक्शन आहे. एखाद्या लोखंडी वस्तूला गंज अडला तर ती केमिकल रिॲक्शन आहे, इरिव्हर्सिबल आहे. परत त्या गंजलेल्या वस्तूतून लोखंड मिळणार नाही आहे किंवा दह्यातून परत तुम्हाला दूध मिळणार नाही आहे. सो दीज आर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ केमिकल रिॲक्शन्स. केमिकल रिॲक्शन्स आर irreversible reactions. Okay, so we will see few examples of this reaction. A physical change simply refers to a change in shape without breaking of bonds. This is physical process. Another physical process is change in the state of matter when ice melts into water or when water becomes a vapor. These are also physical processes. However, when bonds are broken and new bonds are formed during transformation, this will be called a chemical reaction. Example is BaOH twice plus H2SO4 tends to BaSO4 plus 2H2O. Is an inorganic chemical reaction. Similarly, hydrolysis of starch into glucose is an organic chemical reaction. Rate of physical or chemical process refers to amount of product formed per unit time. This is amount of product and this is time. Delta P means amount of product, delta T means time. Amount of product formed per unit time. This is called rate of physical or chemical reaction. Rate can also be called velocity if direction is specified. Rates of physical and chemical processes are influenced by temperature among other factors. A general rule of thumb is that rate doubles. Either it will double or it will decrease to half for every 10 degrees centigrade change in either direction. This is catalyzed reaction. Proceed at rates vastly higher than that of uncatalyzed ones because catalysts are used to only increase the rate of process. When enzyme catalyzed reactions are observed, the rate would be vastly higher than the same but uncatalyzed reaction. The example is CO2 carbon dioxide plus H2O water gives product H2CO3 carbonic acid, but the enzyme uses carbonic anhydrase. There are thousands of types of enzymes, each catalyzing a unique chemical or metabolic reaction. A multi-step chemical reaction when each of the step is catalyzed by same enzyme complex or different enzymes is called a metabolic pathway. We have seen glycolysis process, conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid, in which at every step we have different enzymes. We have different names that we have learned in previous lectures. So such reactions are called metabolic pathway. Example is conversion of glucose into 2-pyruvic acid. Again, second example, C6H12O6 plus O2 is equal to 2C3H4O3 plus 2H2O is actually a metabolic pathway in which glucose becomes pyruvic acid through 10 different enzyme catalyzed metabolic reaction. So in chemical reaction, what we have studied, the difference between physical reaction and chemical reaction is irreversible while physical reaction is reversible. We can get original components back after some reaction is carried out. Okay, example is conversion of water into ice, physical reaction, and conversion of milk into curd is chemical reaction. Again we have discussed rate of the reaction, chemical or physical. It's depend on amount of product formed per unit time. Okay, so this is a small topic, just go through it, keep studying, keep watching video.